You think you could give him a kiss? You think you would do it? Will Jamie kiss this beautiful,
really like
handsome guy?
I'm Jamie, and for the last 2 years, my channel has been focused on helping women find the best affordable fashion. This tiny house tour video is a new series where my husband Glenn and I are teaming up to share our unique experiences around Southern California. Sit back and enjoy as we take you with us to this amazing overnight tiny home getaway in the beautiful country farmland of Tulare, California.
Are you Taco?
Welcome to this tiny house tour. This is a 160 square foot container home located on secluded farmland. This tiny house was featured in the Magnolia Journal by Joanna Gaines. This tiny home is located in Tulare, California, just about 2 hours and 45 minutes from downtown Los Angeles. This is a new series where we're getting away from everything and just finding unique places to be able to share some memories together. Let's go inside and check out this tiny house. First, as you see, the front door is these two double wide windows that overlooks the whole farmland area. It's so beautiful, so quiet and quaint. It's so cute in here and decorated so nicely. You definitely feel the farmhouse vibes with the white shiplap all around. Just really makes the space feel a bit bigger than the 160 square feet that we're gonna be hanging out in together. So the TV is behind these little doors, but the couch is a nice little small comfy couch, so it's right directly in front of the TV. But it's nice that the TV is just kind of tucked away and not really seen. So it has this cute little shelf with little spaces to be able to put some of your extra stuff. We left all of our stuff in the car. We're gonna break it in later so it wasn't taking up a lot of space. You are allowed to have pets here at this Airbnb. It is an extra fee, but they would definitely have a little buddy if you bring up your pets. But there's a food bowl, water bowl for the pets. There is a fly swatter. This is located on a farm. The description did say that there can be flies and just regular farm life, so you will probably need a fly swatter in more of the spring summer time. This is an air conditioner right here, so that's really nice because I'm sure it gets pretty warm in the summertime. We got the couch. This is where the bed, I do believe it's a queen bed, and this folds down to your little sleeping area. It's so cutely decorated. A nice clean countertop to go along with all the kind of white themed farmhouse. We've got a bottle of wine. Oh, these are really cute, little California cutting boards. Here we have some cabinets with some dish soap. Look, oh, look how cute. They provided us with some s'mores for the fire pit outside. We're gonna take a look at the fire pit and all the area outside after we do the indoor tour. Next, we got a really nice sink. This is a nice size for a 100 square foot little area. You have all of your kitchen utensils, little Keurig with mugs. I was kind of wondering with the mixing bowls if I need, because we're making some homemade guac tonight, and I wasn't sure if I forgot the mixing bowl, so I'm happy that they have mixing bowls, and they even have like a little serve platter. They provide sugars, glasses, typical kitchen utensils, drawers filled with pretty much everything that you'll need. Wine bottle opener, nicely provided. cutting boards and just all the stuff for the kitchen. A lot of cabinets here for a tiny space. We have a microwave to be able to heat things up, and there is a grill outside. So we did notice that in the pictures last minute, we noticed that it didn't have a stove inside, so we kind of changed up what our dinner is going to be. Just something really simple, but it does have a microwave if you just want to keep it really easy and simple. So on this side, we have games, little faux plant with the date, little candle. This area, I guess we're going to be playing our games. The winner's seat is wherever I'm sitting. You know, I say that, but it seems like you win every game we play pretty much. Monopoly, everything. Uno, Monopoly. We have these like championship games and you seem to win all of them. But maybe tonight I'm gonna be the winner. So we have plates here with a little place setting and just a really nice little space to have your breakfast and just kind of overlook the little pastures and farm. You can close these windows and just kind of keep the light out, but it's nice to leave it all open and airy. I love all of the faux plants. Faux or real, I just think they just really brighten up a space. Looks like it has all the people that stayed and all these little notes. We're gonna have fun reading this tonight. This will be really nice to be able to see everybody's comments. It already feels like home here with, you know, our little taco terrier greeting us first thing getting out of the car. We only have one night here, but we could definitely do some more time here. We'll definitely be coming back. The next area, it looks to have like a little sliding barn door, and this is the bathroom. It's a nice size for such a small building, but nice little toilet area, the sink, room to be able to put some stuff on, and a little cabinet down here. Really supply you with pretty much everything you need: shampoo, conditioner. So let's get inside here. Yeah, this is a nice size shower for this small space, but the tile is so beautiful with the black and white subway pattern. I really like the black and white. It has like a marble floor down here, marble style floor, which is really nice. They do supply you with bug spray because we are on the farm. This is a really nice farmhouse space and just really feels really homey, and we are really going to enjoy sharing our time here today. Now we're going to go outside and show you all the things outside, and one of the favorite things that we're looking forward to is sunset on the rooftop deck.
Shipping containers are converted and many times used for Airbnbs, or this particular Airbnb features two very similar, because this is really enough space for one person, maybe two, and then if you have like a couple of people that want to come out here, you can actually share this and reserve it as one. They've got a really cool fire pit, and the one thing I was worried about we didn't bring was an axe. So we got some firewood. I brought some kindling, but this is going to be nice to split up one of our logs and be able to start a fire. Well, then over here in the patio area, you've got a shared kind of common area to dine and fix and prepare meals. We'll show you a little bit more when it's dinner time about what we decided to do, but it's going to involve just heating some pre-cooked things up and sharing a meal together. But it's really peaceful. There's birds chirping. It's a country location, and we're very, very excited to spend time together and share our experience there with you. So I guess without further ado, we'll have Jamie take us up to the rooftop deck, and then we'll actually be up there together and kind of show you what we do this evening from that rooftop deck. And almost forgot to mention, we're really excited for cornhole. The last game of cornhole that Jamie and I played together was at the National Harbor at the MGM. So up there on the deck of the National Harbor, they have some like cornholes. It was really cool. But that was the last game we played, and I think you actually won that one, so I don't win everything. All right, so now we're wrapping up back up to the front entrance and around. There's a pretty little rocking chair out here, but as this wraps around, this is very common for these shipping container conversions to have these really cool spiral staircases that kind of go right up there. So I guess we're gonna, come on baby, you gotta come up here too. This is really cool. So Jamie's coming up.
So pretty up here.
So one of the really cool features of these rooftop decks is this vertical cable railing. And it's one of those things that sort of just indicates that the owners of this property maybe went the extra mile to make the experience even more special. That's an investment in us and our experience out here, and we're really excited as the evening sets, enjoy our dinner up here. And we're gonna get down and we're gonna get ready for preparing dinner and spending some time doing that, and I'm gonna shoot some more footage to share with you as far as maybe more of an aerial look at what we've got going on. that's adorable. After dinner, we put our phones in airplane mode and spent some time just completely focused on each other. Out by the fire on the second try, we even got our marshmallows roasted perfectly for s'mores. We enjoyed the fire a little bit longer, and after that, well, Jamie lost at cornhole, but not before pretending to win just for the video shot. We just appreciated what comes from taking a 24-hour break from the noise of the city. The peace and quiet, well, it's a foundation for gaining perspective, and perspective brought with it overwhelming gratitude for everything that we have in our lives. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning here. We have to check out by 11. We'll probably get out of here just a little bit before then. If there's anything about this video that you do like and you're enjoying spending time with us, just give the button a big smash like. It really helps her channel grow. If this is your first time watching us, thank you once again for clicking play, and we hope to see you again. Now let me get back inside and see if Jamie's awake. I'm actually so excited to get in there and make her some coffee. Let's get back to it.
I'm looking forward to feeding the baby goat.
Am I looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. This one's ready to pop. If I was on the farm, this is how I'd want to be right here. You know, he's got no worries.
Look at him.
He thinks I have yummy food. Look at his tongue. Oh gosh.
Oh my god, he's adorable.
Oh gosh.
He's doing it.
He's sniffing it.
Maybe he just opened that bag up and let him just dig his face in there.
It's like a little dog. Oh,
He's hungry, man.
Please don't stick that tongue out. He's got a very long tongue.
He does it.
Hi, guys.
You think you could give him a kiss? You think he would do it? Will Jamie kiss this
He's
beautiful,
really like a large dog.
handsome guy?
There you go.
That's as close as it was going to get. What, Piggy wants some.
Pigs eat anything.
Score.
Pigs
Score.
eat anything. Out of all the ones I'm afraid to feed, it's the pig.
It's probably the only one of these things that'll eat you.
I think so.
Right there, down here. Is that a goat or a baby lamb or? He just hangs out inside there. He's been waiting. He has been wanting a treat from the moment we got here.
I think he's gonna like it. I think you're gonna like it. It didn't let me.
Don't dig
You
his
try
leg.
it. Let's see. You do it.
There.
Glenn's gonna feed.
Yeah.
Oh, bring. Oh, he's gonna take that plastic bag.
No, he's not eating the plastic. See, he just grabbed a whole bunch of it. All right, hold on. Wait.
You got a flat. Give him a little flat hand.
This guy wants some.
Aww.
See?
Yeah, you're much
boy.
better.
This one over here. He's like Rocky. That was really cute. Just snatched.
Bye, guys. See you next time.